Hello everyone! Today's math lesson is about one less and one more. We've been talking about tens and ones. We agreed before that every 10 ones make one group of 10. So let's count the tens and the ones over here to find out what is the number. 10, 20, 30, 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, and 48. So the number is, let's think together, which number comes one less than 48 and which number that comes one more than 48. So let's find what is 1 less than 48 and 1 more than 48? If you can hear it carefully, you will hear the word 1. What comes 1 less than 48? So, when we talk about 1 less, it means we will change the ones digit. And if we talk about 1 more, again, we're talking about the ones digit. So, the tens digit will stay and we will change the ones. When we say 1 less, less means count back 1. So we have to count back 1. We have 8. Let's count back 1. 8, 7. So it will be 47. Let's check. Over here we have 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 less will be 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So now, let's find out what comes 1 more than 48. When we say 1 more, it means we count on 1. So let's count on 8, 9, 49. Since we're talking about 1 more, it means we will add 1 more to the ones place. So let's count the ones place for 48. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. When we add 1 more, will be 9. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So it's 49. There's another way to find out which number comes 1 less and which number comes 1 more by using the 100 chart. Find out which number comes 1 less than 56 or which number comes 1 more than 56. We will need a 100 chart. So please make sure to print out your own 100 chart that was uploaded to you on your dashboard for this week. So the first thing we need to do on the hundreds chart is to find number 56. So here is number 56. So when we find number 56 on the hundreds chart, we have to know which number is 1 less. If we notice over here, we find out that the space of the answer is just before 56, which is on the left side of the number. So when we go to the hundreds chart, 1 less means that we have to move to the left. So the number that is 1 less 56 is 55. So 1 less than 56 is 55. To know which number comes 1 more than 56, it means that we have to look at the right side of 56. So let's go to the hundreds chart and find 56. 56, when we need to know which number comes more than 56, it means we have to go to the right. So when we go to the right, we find number 57. So 57 is more than 56. Actually, there is a very easy song that may help you to know which number comes one less or one more using the hundreds chart. So let's sing together. Hundreds chart, more or less. Hundreds chart, more or less. To the left, one less, one less. To the right, one more, one more. Hundreds chart, more or less. And now, let's read this number. This number is, that's right, it's 74. Together, we will find which number is 1 less than 74 and which number is 1 more than 74 using the hundreds chart. What is the first step that we need to do? That's right, we have to find number 74 on the hundreds chart. So here is 74. When we sing the song together, we will know what is the answer required. We look at 74 and we see that the answer should be on the left side. When it's on the left side, it means 1 less. And as we agreed on before, the tens place stay in their place, so we will be changing only the ones. So let's go to number 74 on the hundreds chart and find out which number comes on the left. So we have to go now to the left. Let's go there and start singing. To the left, one less, one less. To the left, one less, one less. So the number that is 1 less than 74 is, that's right, it's 73. Now we have to find out the number that comes after 74. That means the number that is 1 more 74. How did we know? Because the answer should be on the right side. So when it's on the right side, we sing again together. When we go back to the hundreds chart, to the right, one more, one more. To the right, one more, one more. So the number that is 1 more 74 is, that's right, it's 75. If we want to find out the number that comes 1 less than 30, we agreed on going to the left. So when we go to the left, we find number 29. So 29 is 1 less than 30. But if we want to find which number is 1 more than 30, we agreed on going to the right. But if we go to the right, we find no number over there. So in this case, we go just to the first number that comes on the row below. So this is the row below number 30, and the first number that comes on this row is 31. So the number that is 1 more than 30 is 31. These are some exercises from your math book pages that were uploaded to you on the dashboard for this week. Well, for exercises 1, 2, and 3, you have to find what is the number that is 1 more. How did we know that? Because we have to look carefully at the space that is there for the answer. When it comes on the right side, it means we have to count on 1. Or we use our hundreds chart to find out what is the number that is on the right. So please make sure to have your hundreds chart printed out and beside you before you start answering these exercises. For exercises 4, 5, and 6, the space is before the number, which means on the left side, and this also means that we have to count back 1 because it's 1 less. But for exercises 7, 8, and 9, you have 2 spaces for the answers. One is to the left and one is to the right. So you have to grab your hundreds chart and to find out which number goes to the left and which number goes to the right, which means which number is 1 less or which number is 1 more. I know that you're doing a great job. Keep up the good work and best of luck.